Python modules are essential for organizing code into reusable, manageable files, enhancing project structure and maintainability. They enable code reusability across projects, reducing errors and development time. Python's rich standard library, with over 200 built-in modules, offers tools for various tasks, from mathematical operations to web development, streamlining the coding process. Modules in Python are essential for organizing code into reusable, manageable files, ensuring projects remain structured as they grow. They enable seamless code sharing across projects, reducing errors and development time. Python's rich standard library, with over 200 built-in modules, provides tools for everything from math operations to web development. A Python module is a .py file encapsulating functions, variables, and classes, creating separate namespaces to avoid naming conflicts. It can be imported and reused, supporting both simple scripts and complex libraries. For instance, example.py defines functions like add open parenthesis, a comma b close parenthesis, and subtract open parenthesis, a comma b close parenthesis, demonstrating modular programming's logical boundaries and maintainability. The example.py file illustrates modular programming by defining an add open parenthesis, a comma b close parenthesis function. This function takes two parameters and returns their sum, showcasing how modules encapsulate functionality. Such modular design enhances code reusability and maintainability, forming the backbone of efficient Python programming. The basic import statement in Python allows you to load an entire module using import module name. Access its functions and variables with dot notation, like module name.function open parenthesis or module name.variable. For instance, import math provides access to constants like math.py and functions such as math.sqrt, enabling a wide range of mathematical operations. Using the math module, we can access constants like pi and Euler's number, calculate a circle's area with math.py and math.pow, convert angles to radians using math.radians for trigonometric functions like math.sin. This approach ensures explicit, readable code without naming conflicts, leveraging the full power of the module.